Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chk bsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Then type cd space c : / and hit enter. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command, type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command, type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmvr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c : / bcd backup, then hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Type attrib c : / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren c : /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command, type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.